In this video, I am discussing post-standard mathematics, chapter 13, measurement of volume, exercise 13.1. Before going to exercise, see some basic concepts. Recall, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Next, the quantity of a liquid a container holds is called the capacity of that container. The quantity of a liquid in a container is called volume of the liquid. The quantity of a liquid in a container is called the volume of liquid. The standard unit for measuring volume is liter. See, this is 1 liter, 5 liter container. The symbol L is used for liter and ml for milliliter. Notational symbol, mathematical symbol for liter is L and milliliter for ml. Remember, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 by 2 liter is equal to 500 milliliter. 1 by 4 liter is equal to 250 milliliter. 3 by 4 liter is equal to 750 milliliter. Make a list of at least two situations where we use milliliter in our daily life. In hospital. In hospital, we use milliliter. In medical shop also. Medical shop. Medical shop. Make a list of any two situations where we use liter to measure. Milk dairy. In milk dairy, we use liter. Milk dairy. These shops. Provision shops. Provision shops. Any other shops, we use liter. To convert liter into milliliter, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. To convert liter to milliliter, multiply by 1000. Example, convert 8 liter to milliliter. 8 liter is equal to 8 into 1000. This means 8000 milliliter. See, exercise 13.1. Write the suitable unit of measurement used in the situation given below. Kerosene in a drum is kerosene not used in these days. 1000 liter. Milk in a cup 150 milliliter. Bottle of ink 50 milliliter. Water in a bucket, bucket contains 20 liter. Syrup in a bottle, syrup in a bottle means this also 50 milliliter. 50, 100, 150, etc. Second one, convert the following liter measurement to milliliter. 1. 3 liter is equal to 3000 milliliter. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. That's why just multiply 3 into 1000. We get 3000 milliliter. 7 liter, 7000 milliliter. 7000 milliliter. 2 liter, 500 milliliter, 2500 milliliter. 6 liter, 250 milliliter, 6250 milliliter. Third one, match the quantity of liquid in a column A with column B and write the answers in the blank space provided. 4 liter, 4 liter means 4000 milliliter. 4000 milliliter. 9 liter, 9000 milliliter. 9000 milliliter. 5 liter, 50 milliliter. This is 5050 milliliter. 5050 milliliter. I left one. Is just wait. Third one. 1 liter, 250 milliliter, 1250 milliliter. 1250 milliliter. This is 5050 milliliter. 3 liter, 100 milliliter, 3100 milliliter. In this video, this much. Meet in the next video. If you are not subscribed this channel, subscribe for more videos. If you like the video, hit the like button. Thank you for watching.